Hi, Ibom is the monzo depending on your time zone and location. Konye Chikwari Yazelo. Tata bu the 22nd day of May 2025. Kaibapi also Tata bu the second day of the resumption of MAZI NNAMDI KANU's trial na the Nigerian courts in Abuja. So right now, I Kaibapi also speedily because unanya from your screen. Onye du MAZI NNAMDI KANU awuchilan again today in a court. Inye kwanya na akuku onye bi o member bu Honorable Obi Agwocha, one of the leaders in my constituency, MAZI NNAMDI KANU si. And with video interview made this man yesterday, he posted to me on my handle. So when you watch that video, you also watch here where the man was actually analyzing if any that has been happening around the trial of MAZI NNAMDI KANU. So this man has been a very chronic lover. It's both a lover MAZI NNAMDI KANU Kobu. Yes. So if any today is the continuation of the cross-examination of those who came to testify against MAZI NNAMDI KANU. Unomana yesterday na tata before lead counsel MAZI NNAMDI KANU, Agabina barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR to continue the cross-examination that they have started since yesterday. So if any court today is still the continuation of this same cross-examination, a time of question and answer. Actually, Jupiter Ndeberi testify against MAZI NNAMDI KANU some things for clarity. So do kuna for this update. Are you having this mindset that MAZI NNAMDI KANU would get a smooth trial with the way things are going? Unomana as of today, barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR Apatago will be clarify the air on the reason why how deal with the full updates on what is happening in courts. So we can play one of the video, couldn't watch here from beginning to the end. So that because a lot of Biafrans are already bashing at ALOY EJIMAKOR or we for Nezo, are they hiding something? Is there a secret trial going on or borrow their faults? If you watch this video, if that now brought their fault, and they could me yesterday, now the video made that this thing I brought fault, lead counsel MAZI NNAMDI KANU. This is the order from the judge that is handling this case. That here with is in any updates online, either from the prosecution side or from the defendant side, from the both sides. Now they are not allowed to alter any media interview or media updates concerning the way this trial is. But then we're actually trying to go as a Biafran. Do you think that's now this order in this lead counsels, is it normal? Is it okay? Is it allowed? These are the questions you question you before jumping into conclusion that now they are not. Why would they stop them from bringing updates, or now they are not bringing updates? You're supposed to ask first, or they allowed? Because to me, I don't know. Obviously, name drop or in a comment section. Or allowed? Or court now get through a proceedings. Is it allowed? Is the order allowed to be given to the lead counsel not to bring updates to courts to the general public? So these are the questions you people should be asking, not bashing at ALOY EJIMAKOR that he's hiding something, that why are they not bringing update and order? Yeah, but order from above. You understand? Kahara made mistake. So right now, watch out the video. Kenurebe barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR Kowara. The reason why they are not bringing updates to Biafrans, to people, to the general public. So you watch, you see a video analysis of Ife made yesterday in play from One Night Workable Igbo Area TV. Credit to you for putting up this video together. First of all, guys, watch out this video from barrister ALOY EJIMAKOR. Then you watch this other analysis from One Night Workable. You watch this video. Drop one more opinion in the comment section and drop it on the comment section. Freedom for MAZI NNAMDI KANU. To support the video, can also why we want these updates. Watch out the rest of the video, guys. I'll be right back.
Very, very important for us to make this clear that the court disapproves very strongly of any member of the legal team, whether of the prosecution or of the defense, doing media updates. I am included, my colleague is included, so that restriction is what is preventing us saying more than we should say. We know this is unusual. It's a departure from what is there. But the directives of the court have to be obeyed. There is no secrecy to it. Anybody who thinks it's about secret trial or anything, no. The media themselves, the media as an organization is always in the courtroom, and they are free to do their own reporting.
It has been 10 years. Yes, 10 years since Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, was first dragged into court by the Nigerian government. Today we ask, is this a search for justice or just a drama that never ends? This is Igbo Area TV, and this is the real story behind what happened this week in Abuja. Inside that courtroom where everything changed. In 2015, Nnamdi Kanu was arrested for leading the call for Biafra's independence. He was accused of treason, terrorism, and running an illegal radio station. In 2017, soldiers stormed his house in Abia State. Gunshots, fear, confusion. He disappeared. Then in 2021, he was captured again, this time from Kenya, and they brought him back to Nigeria. Many believed he was kidnapped, not extradited legally the way it's done. Till today, the government has not told Nigerians exactly how they brought him back. On May 20, 2025, inside the Federal High Court in Abuja, May 21st, something unusual happened. The judge, Justice Omotosho, warned Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, ALOY EJIMAKOR, for posting on social media during the trial. He said EJIMAKOR was becoming more like a social media influencer than a lawyer. He even said, this is a court of law, not a place for online content creators. Why did this happen? Because EJIMAKOR posted on X calling on Biafrans to rise up and support the legal team. He said they would file a motion to dismiss all the terrorism charges. But the judge wasn't happy. He said this kind of posts could influence the public and cause distractions. Some people agree with the judge, but others say if they keep hiding the truth from the people, how will justice be done? The Department of State Services, DSS, has been the body holding Nnamdi Kanu all these years. But during the recent court session, they said something shocking. They claimed they did not arrest Kanu in Kenya. Even more confusing, they told the court that they do not have the names of victims of the violence they are accusing Kanu of. They could not mention who was attacked, when or where. No direct evidence, only claims. This one shocked me. They said they did not arrest Kanu in Kenya. Are they trying to present an event like this? Maybe Kanu escaped in 2017 and they saw him on the street and picked him up. Are they trying to remove Kenya from this whole setup? That Kanu was not in Kenya. That they picked him or they arrested him in Nigeria. So they will call it an arrest. What are they trying to say? Maybe they did not go to arrest Nnamdi. Who bundled on Nnamdi Kanu and brought him back to Nigeria? Now, I don't really know the direction of this case. Does it mean certain Nigerians kidnapped Nnamdi Kanu and they came to the street of Nigeria and threw him and alerted the DSS? Is that the presentation they are trying to give us? There are certain people, maybe Nnamdi, or maybe they don't care about where Nnamdi Kanu was. For them, he's somebody that is wanted and they have seen him and they picked him up. They are trying to, that Kenya extraordinary rendition, that is what actually destroys their case. Are they trying to remove that? What do you think? Add your comment on the comment section while we continue to look at this. So, Nigerians are asking, if you can't say who was hurt or how Kanu caused violence, why is he still in prison? Now, the judge who also accused the defense team of using delay tactics, he said that EJIMAKOR and his team are the ones dragging the case. But the lawyers say they need time to gather facts and file motions. Now, in case you want to know, the judge has given them deadline. File your motion or we continue with the trial. You know, this is like a game of chess, but Kanu is the one suffering in the middle. He remains in detention. The defense also raised a serious point. Why is IPOB treated like a terrorist group? Why the others are seen as self-defense groups, like Amotekun in the southwest, are allowed to operate freely? Now they ask the question, is it because IPOB is from the southeast? Is there a double standard in how Nigeria treats different ethnic groups? Is this real justice or ethnic punishment? For 10 years, this case has dragged. So many court sittings, so many adjournments, so many rulings ignored. Like the one that said, release him because of the way you brought him in. They are trying to dodge that. They want to minus, okay, DSS picked Nnamdi Kanu in the streets. But Nnamdi Kanu himself know what happened. He can tell what happened. So many court rulings, so many adjournments, so many rulings ignored. At one point, the appeal court ruled that government violated Kanu's right. Another court said his house was illegally invaded. So why is he still in detention? Why does justice move so slow when it comes to Biafra? Today, many people no longer trust the traditional court system. They now run to social media to find justice. But is that safe? Can posting online really help Kanu's case? Or will it backfire? That's the debate. One thing is clear. This case is no longer about law. It's no longer just about law. It is now about freedom. It is about truth and about the future of Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu is not just a man in prison. He's a symbol of people crying to be heard. This is no longer a legal case. It is a test of Nigeria's conscience. To the judiciary, give justice a chance. To the government, obey your own courts. I've heard Nnamdi Kanu say this severally. We will win you at your court. Obey your courts. To the people, do not lose hope. Let us keep watching, keep speaking, and keep demanding the truth. Because injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. This is Igbo Area TV, and we will not stop telling the story. Like, comment, and share this video. Follow Igbo Area TV for more updates and for more real stories from our land. Justice for Nnamdi Kanu, justice for Biafra.